What up, y'all? It's itslaroneppl and welcome back to the channel. Real quick, want to talk about kind of the importance of maintenance and having a schedule for your maintenance. Recently, I posted a whole bunch of videos about me maintaining my hair. And I'd gone a little longer than normal with my normal routine for maintenance. I had just been very sporadic about it and not really giving too many months. But that has to change now because I really struggled with doing my hair last go around. And it was merely because like it was starting to mat up. My parts were like all over the place because my hair gets wet. It'll just kind of merge together and then you have to do like this type thing to get it apart. And I hate having to do that because I just hate having to do it. I don't even know why, but I think the sound really bothers me of hair popping and cracking like that. So definitely wanna kind of talk to y'all to call like a call to action, so to speak. Like if you're gonna make this twice a year, cool, and that's the look you're going for the almost freeform, semi-freeform look, great. But if you're going for that manicured look and you care about the integrity of your parts, please, 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 please establish some sort of schedule, some sort of maintenance routine to ensure that you can keep the integrity of your parts. Whether that be you going to a loctician to have them do it every so often, great. If you're not, which this channel encourages you to do it yourself, hey, get to it. I'm gonna try to definitely do better. I'm gonna do better. I'm giving myself at that 6 to 8 week mark, somewhere in between that spot, I need to maintenance as far as like a retwist or a style or something within that time. Something needs to happen. So y'all keep me accountable in the comment section or wherever it may be about, hey, where's the maintenance? And I'll get on it. I'll try to keep y'all accountable. So if you leave what your desired date is and when you'll start that in the comment section, I'll definitely follow up with y'all and be like, hey, what's up? You about to go do your hair? What's going on? What we doing? Or if you go to a loctician, I have no problem. Hey, what's up? You about to go see your loctician to do your hair? But I always encourage on this channel that kind of the DIY, you can do this yourself. It just takes a little bit of time, a lot of energy. I'm not gonna lie, because this last go around it took a lot of energy to do this, but it normally doesn't, and it's really because I was out of routine, I was out of practice, so it was just like coming down at once. I even had to sit down while I was maintaining my hair because it had just become too much, and usually I can just breeze through and not even need to sit down while doing it. So yeah, just take my advice on that. Figure out a schedule. I told y'all mine in that 6 to 8 week mark. That's when I'm gonna definitely make sure that I at least retwist my hair or style something. I'm gonna do something to my hair as far as maintenance. Now that in between maintenance, as far as like making sure your hair is moisturized, that y'all, we've already talked about that enough on this channel. We've discussed what you should do. In the description, there'll be a link to a video that has all the links to any products that were mentioned on this channel. So if you have any questions about any products that was there, please reference that. That'll be in the description as well as the end screen of this video. So yeah, get your routine. Do me a favor. If you don't do nothing else for me, or not even for me, for yourself. If you don't do nothing else for yourself and your locks, establish a routine, establish a schedule, and stick to it. So we gonna all be great, and we just gonna be great. So we gonna all be great, and until the next time, y'all be easy.